My driver. Okay, this is what we got. I don't know if it's gonna be enough for us, but
Спальня прямо рядом с ним. На самом деле, Джейн самая обычная женщина, не...
so scary. Wow, this campsite is gorgeous. We have water access, a private beach. Wow. We didn't bring any forks, so this is what we're gonna use. One.
Maybe
Is this
one
one?
and a half? One and a half.
No. Что, приятного аппетита? So the campsite that we're staying at is called Colonial Creek South, I believe, and we got so lucky that I got this spot. It's right by the water, and usually this campsite is always booked weeks in advance, and we just booked it last minute and got lucky. Tomorrow we're staying at a different spot. It's called the Gorge or something like that, and that's another one of those campsites that get booked real fast, and we got lucky that we got a free spot, an available spot there. This is a new lipi that I got specifically for camping, and so far it's been amazing. It's so soft and it's called squishy, so it literally lives up to its name. I love it.
Я могу ты.
Давай.
Как тебе такое?
Молодец.
Выводи. Вот это йоу.
What a view! Wow. Okay, so what are you doing? Tell us.
I'm looking
Tell the
for
class.
I'm looking for bears.
He's doing extreme zooms onto this mountain to see if there are any bears. Any luck? No.
Not yet. Okay.
That's our dinner. As you can see, we don't have that much camping gear, but that's enough for us right now. Oh, it smells so good. This is our second time camping together, and we don't have that much gear, to be honest. We only have the essentials, and honestly, that's enough. But now we're realizing, oh, we wish we had a camping chair. We wish we had like a proper cooking thing. But you know, with time, I'm sure we'll have a proper BC camper type of set. But for now, we're really happy with what we have. One thing though that I really suggest is making a list before you go camping, a list of everything, the groceries, the things you need to do, things you need to do at home before you leave. This time we're going with the flow and things are unfolding pretty well, but I'll say that it would be even better if we prepared in advance and if we had a list of things that we need to bring.
Хорошо, ты хочешь водочки? Тема?
Wow. You have a super innovative way to clean a pot. Is it a pot or a pan? I think it's a pot. No, it's a pan. Anyways, so we don't have a soap, we don't have anything, so we're using salt.
And fingers.
Salt and magic fingers. Breakfast time. Good morning. We just had to take down our campsite and move to a new one. It wasn't an ideal situation having to put up and take down a whole campsite 2 nights in a row, but you know what? I don't have any regrets because we got to experience this gorgeous place here, and we're going to another stunning location. So this is just a small price to pay for having to experience two amazing, beautiful, scenic locations. I'm doing this, recording this video right here. My amazing partner is making us breakfast over there. He's just so perfect. Bye bye. Back to the same lookout spot that we went to yesterday, and oh my god, look at how it looks today. Gorgeous. Don't get me wrong, I like a nice and easy hike, but you know what I love even more is a viewpoint that is so stunning, but you don't need to do any work for it. You just drive up, park your car, and immediately you see this kind of view. Sensational. Next stop is Maple Trail Hike. This is a loop hike, and there are two ways to do it. If you go clockwise, it's kind of like easier, elevation gain, very steady. If you go counterclockwise, it's going to be very steep uphill in the beginning, but it's going to pay off better. First stop, we're going to Rainy Lake trail, and I think we're not going to do the whole loop because it's going to take 4 hours. We just want to do a nice little scenic stop, a little bit of workout, and that's good enough. Okay, bye. You're so pretty. Bye bye. This is a face of a person who survived Maple Trail hike. Well, not all of it. We only did, I don't even know how many kilometers, but it was only to a scenic point and back. I would rate this like 8 out of 10 difficulty hike. It was quite challenging towards the end, very steep, lots of switchbacks. How would you rate it?
Me,
Difficulty.
number 3.
3 out of 10? Well, yeah, we have a different level of athleticism. He didn't even lose his breath once. Meanwhile, I look like a tomato. Anyways, I still highly recommend this hike, even though it's very, very difficult. But not for everyone, just for people like me. Oh my god. Gorgeous. Right here is gonna be our tent. So we have noodles here, and we have no fork. Only 1 spoon, 0 knives, and that's it. So, how do you eat noodles with a spoon? Let's see. Okay. Not bad. Yeah, water of this color cannot be warm. It's freezing cold, but it was nice and refreshing.
Ну, тоже верно. Хороший вид. Классно?
Went for a walk near our campsite and we stumbled upon this abandoned town. It looks so creepy because the houses are clearly empty. Look, the houses are empty. There is no one here, and there is also abandoned basketball court there. And over there is a dam. So maybe these houses were built for the workers of the dam, but it looks pretty dead and empty. Yeah, it's very eerie in here. There's furniture there, so I guess, I don't know, it's they all just moved out of here all at once, it seems like. But on this side you have the most gorgeous view of this gorge creek. Imagine you leave your house and this is your view. I don't know what happened here and why they're just empty houses now, but I want to know more. I'm curious now. And this is the bridge that connects the little town to the outside world. It's obviously shut down, but even the bridge looks kind of creepy. Yet another creepy American town. But at least you can see that people live here. Still quite creepy though. DIY sink. Oh no, it's not working.
Раньше можно вот так видно.
О. А. Это я на камеру засняла.
Это ты... Ну хорошо, пусть все знают. Эту девчонку надо помыть как следует.
Что, пасту ужасно? Bye. See you next time. Bye.